So we're going to take a look into the hive today. I just smoked them a little bit. All you honey pies, I walked in front of the hive, which they say is a bad idea. It just bothers them. I should have walked around a lot further. Just so you know what's happening. Last time I was in, there was a possible queen cell. It was, I don't know, maybe Monday, and today is Saturday, so 5 days ago or so. So let's see what we got. Smoke them a little bit there. They did a pretty good job with the pollen patty I put on last time I was in. Again, that was Monday, about 5 days ago. That whole thing was a circle. So this here was a whole circle. Looks like they're eating pretty good. All right, let's see what we got. Frame number 1 definitely needs some. I need my hive tool. Which is this guy. I'm going to use my fancy new frame puller today. You clamp the frame with that, and then it's easier to lift up. So these frames have been glued together with a substance called propolis, which they collect from the trees and the plants, and they make a type of glue out of it. They don't like anything that's almost touching, but not quite. So this frame had very little drawn comb out on it Friday, and you can see today it's a little bit less than half done, and they're filling it with some pollen. Frame number 2 is completely done. Bright orange pollen. Oh, I forgot about that. Looks beautiful, girls. Definitely filling it with pollen. Good job. Put that as frame number 2. And I put them back in. I want to keep the same orientation. This is the last of the brand new frames on this side, and this was totally drawn out last time I was in, and it feels really heavy. So we have capped comb, capped brood, I guess it would be. And you can see down in the lower parts here, you can see a bunch of, oh my god, yes, bunch of larvae. And then on this side, basically the same thing. A lot of drone comb, it looks like. Good job, girls. Okay. This one here is the first hive, the first frame from the nucleus hive, working from this direction. Frame number 4. Frame number 3 had brood, larvae. I didn't see eggs, but they looked like it was all filled out. So she's laying really, really well. This is plastic foundation, so I don't have to be as careful. This little cluster down here, there's a lot of... Yeah, so we got larvae on this side. Actually, looks like a lot of food. I'm gonna turn this way and see if I can see any eggs. Looks like maybe a bunch hatched, because this was all filled. I don't see anything as far as eggs. Just looking for the queen. This next frame will tell me what I want to know. There was what looked like maybe an emergency cell they were working on. Yep, right there. I'm filling these with pollen, it looks like. And then there's that emergency cell. I don't see anything in it. Looks unchanged from last week. So that's really all I wanted to know. This next frame looks like it has a couple of outgrowths too. So let me check that out, just so I have a little record of what happened. And I'm not even gonna flip it, I'm just gonna look here and see what's happening. It's just a huge outgrowth of cells. There's 2 of them. I don't really know what to make of it, but a lot of food and capped brood on that side. Alright, I'm just going to take a look at these last 2 frames over there. This is, yep, so you can see It's only had a little bit last week. So they're filling it out. Good job. Okay. That's all I needed to see. I'm just going to push all of this back as one. Nice and slow, so we have plenty of time to move. Get out of there. Go ahead. Okay. And put this back. So that's the first frame that they're totally done with. Brand new foundationless. Probably about 2 weeks ago. And then this one here is 90% done. And then they got started on this one. So everything's started. All the frames are started. Give them a little smoke so I can close it up safely.